All right, guys, part two. We learned, thanks to you, helpful viewers, in the comments, that these blades are supposed to have a little bit of give and spin freely, like this, apparently. So, thank you for the correction, for those of you who made the correction. And I've now realized that I'm going to probably be working in blade replacement into my monthly routine. Just looking, you guys saw where this video ended yesterday. This is not even, this use that you're seeing on these blades is not even from one entire mow of my perimeter. I think I just did like a small section yesterday. Excited to get it cutting with the new blades. But of course, it cut incorrectly because I didn't have this freely rotating. So, now curious if this is the proper way. Can't really replicate the motion, but this is what they're doing. Screws still feel tight, and these blades now have free motion, free range of motion here. And I can definitely see how that can cut better. So it made a lot of sense after you guys pointed it out. All right, that's it. Part two is a short one. Your Sunseeker X7 is now ready to go. It's a life-changing device, guys. Big, big fan. Use the link in the comments to help me out on Amazon if you're going to buy one, and hit me up with any questions. Thanks for watching.